What's up guys? Today I went shopping. We're gonna set up my GoPro and your GoPro into a GoPro vlogging setup. We're gonna put it to a test at a restaurant and at the beach to see if it really does help eliminate background noise. But before we start, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. Today we are talking about the GoPro Hero 7 and the vlogging kit that I have set up for it right now. We're gonna go test it out in Jacksonville Beach where hopefully it'll be pretty windy so you can see the difference between the mic, and I'm taking a few of my friends with me. Say hello, Cheeky. What's up, Cheeky? We got Max right there. What's up, Max? Come on, Max. Let's go. I know you like the front seat. No. Alright, let's go. Let's help you out. Let's help you out. Get in there. Getting a little older, so you gotta help him out. And where is she at? In the front seat. She likes that front seat. Come on, Max, you know this is your spot. Come on. I brought these guys for lunch. I'm gonna do a little pit stop here, and look who I found, one of my friends. What's up, Con? There you go.
Cheers. Down the hike.
So we're going to talk about this guy right here today, the Ulanzi D2, and it's pretty much a GoPro vlogging setup. As you can see, I have an external mic here, and we're having lunch here. We're going to talk about this today because there's some music playing in the background, there's some background noise, so we're going to test it out and record from this guy right now. So here we are talking about the Ulanzi vlogging kit for the GoPro Hero 7. So right now I have attached this external mic, directional mic, and then I have this kit right here. I'm gonna take it apart so you guys can see exactly what's going on here. So this is the GoPro Hero 7. In order to have this kit attached, you need to remove the door because the slot's gonna go in here for the adapter. The adapter is this GoPro adapter, which costs $50. You connect it, you put it right in here. Put the GoPro back inside. Connect the adapter. The door back in, slide it in, connect your mic. There you go, you have your vlogging kit for the GoPro Hero 7. Alright, so we're here at Burrito Gallery and I have some background noise, some music playing in the background, and I have the mic on right now, the external mic. So I wanted to test it out and see how it sounds like without the mic and having this background music playing. So here we are. Now the mic is totally off. So hopefully you guys can see the difference on the mic being on and off. I'm gonna put the mic back in now and let's see how it sounds. So hopefully you guys could see the difference, or better yet, hear the difference in sound. Alright, so I just put a playback to hear the mic and see how it worked. And this mic is incredible. Honestly, I don't even know how we would function without the mic. It sounded terrible without the mic on. We're gonna go to the beaches now and see how it sounds like with the waves crashing and the wind blowing in the air. So let's check it out over there and see you in a little bit. Here we are, Jack's Beach. I have my friend helping me out with the dogs. There he is. And I have the mic on right now. I'm also controlling this guy right here. Multitasking. And I got the drone back here behind me. So it's gonna be a fun day today. We're gonna do a quick little test of the mic again. We're just gonna see how it sounds like with the mic on and with the mic off. Here I am in Jacksonville Beach. And I have the microphone on right now. Hopefully you can hear me pretty well. I have the waves crashing behind me. I have the wind blowing. It's pretty intense today. As you can see, the yellow flag right there, how it's whipping around. So I have the mic on right now. I'm gonna take the mic off and let's see the difference in quality of sound. The mic is off right now. So this is me talking without the mic. Hopefully you guys can tell the difference. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna put it back on just so you can hear it out again. So now I have the mic back on. Does it make a difference? I think it does. Alright, so I just listened to the playback and the difference was night and day. Right now I have the mic on, the wind is blowing. I mean, it's big time blowing. I have the waves crashing, and I want to say you can hear me pretty clearly. If you're looking to make content, to create different YouTube videos or just for Instagram, whatever your personal preference is on your video creation, I definitely recommend you invest into one of these mics. This whole vlogging setup, I'm going to put in the description below the link as to where to find it and also the pricing on it. So, you know, please comment below, hit like if you like this video. The next video I'll make on a vlogging setup will probably be for the GoPro Hero 9, because like I said before, I always skip a generation. I have the 5 and the 7. I'm currently using this vlogging setup on the GoPro Hero 7. And there goes the wind again. I mean, this is brutal wind, and hopefully you guys can hear me right now. But thanks for watching, and do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. Alright, so here are a few items that you'll need. I'm going to link them on the description below and also put some prices next to them. You're going to need the Ulanzi V2 housing case, a mic adapter, and a Saramonic unidirectional mic, along with your selfie stick and of course your GoPro. So we're going to make this little GoPro turn into something like this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this GoPro and remove the side door. Don't be scared to break it. GoPros are pretty durable. Stick your nail in there, pop it out, there you go. Don't lose this, put it in a little bag. So I'm going to put this bag to not lose this door, because if not, your GoPro will no longer be waterproof. There you go. Next thing is, we're going to connect this adapter, which is the GoPro Mic Adapter, right? Then you're going to get your mic, connect it to the adapter itself. The problem with this is if you don't have that vlogging case, this is just going to be dangling whenever you connect your GoPro up here. So this vlogging kit right here is very important because it actually houses your adapter in there. So let's unplug this very quick. Let's get this guy right here. And this is going to slide right in here. So you have to make sure that you slide this from this way. Cord in first. There you go. Because eventually this will connect right here with the GoPro. Next, we're going to open up this door. There's a little button right here that you click, and then the door comes out. So it's pretty secured. You don't have to worry about the door ever coming out. You have to click that little button there, which is this right here. Connect the GoPro. There you go. There you go. So now that you have this in there, all right, we're gonna connect the outlet to the GoPro itself right there. So that's how it should look like, right? There you go. Next, we're gonna mess with the mic. We have the mic, this is how it comes, and it comes with this little fuzzy wind reduction right here, but we ended up upgrading and bought this one instead. Just does a little bit of a better job, you know, with the noise reduction and all that. So it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but once you put it in, it'll be good. Wrap it around, there you go. Good to go. So that's how it should look like. Now I'm gonna connect it over here on this side. And then this right here, before I connect it, this right here, you could actually bend it to point in the direction you want and turn it and twist it. So I'm gonna put it this way. When you're vlogging and you're facing, the GoPro's facing you, you could have the mic face you. When you're shooting something and you're still talking, you can move the mic towards you. So it's pretty convenient how you can move the mic around. Lastly, we're gonna connect the GoPro to my selfie stick. I have this Teslin selfie stick. I'll list the item price in the description below on the link. But it's pretty durable. My favorite part about it is that the tripod stands are right here, and all you gotta do is just twist it and it's secured. And there you go. And it's also an extendable pull. So there's your selfie extension pole with your tripod mount, and I want to say it was like $10, maybe a little bit more than that, but it's pretty affordable. So. And there you have it. You have your GoPro vlogging set with your mic, selfie stick, adapter, and your Ulanzi housing case, which also has a cold chute up here, so you can put a light up here if you want, or another mic, but realistically you're going to want it for a light whenever you're recording at night.